In this video, we'll explore the reasons why having a food addiction coach is crucial for your journey to freedom. Discover the benefits of implementing a system that empowers you and provides the support and accountability you need. Get ready to take control of your relationship with food and transform your life for the better. Hey there, welcome back to our channel. Before we dive into today's topic, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you never miss any of our life-changing content. Today, we're diving deep into the topic of food addiction and why having a food addiction coach can be a game changer. So, why do you need a food addiction coach? Well, let's start with reason number 1. Accountability. Having someone to hold you accountable throughout your journey is incredibly powerful. A food addiction coach will keep you on track, help you set realistic goals, and provide the necessary guidance to overcome obstacles. Reason number 2 is all about having an easy-to-implement system. You see, breaking free from food addiction requires a structured approach. A food addiction coach will provide you with a step-by-step system that you can easily integrate into your daily life. No more guesswork or feeling overwhelmed. With a proven system, you'll know exactly what to do and how to do it. And that leads us to reason number 3, empowerment. A food addiction coach empowers you with the knowledge, tools, and strategies you need to make lasting change. You'll gain a deeper understanding of your triggers, develop healthier coping mechanisms, and create a positive relationship with food. It's all about taking control of your choices and embracing a healthier lifestyle. As you can see, having a food addiction coach can be a total game changer. It's about having someone in your corner, guiding you every step of the way. So, if you're ready to break free from the grips of food addiction and embark on a journey of health and freedom, it's time to consider working with a food addiction coach. Thank you for joining me today. Remember, you don't have to face this battle alone. Reach out to us. We have a system that really works, and you'll experience the transformation you deserve. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up if you found it helpful. Until next time, stay strong, stay empowered, and keep healthy.